Right, mate. Today we're going to make some low-carb, cheesy crackers.
Trifle acrimonious today, Gaz?
Not really, but chefs who swear are really popular.
Unobjectionably modish.
Do you mind if I get
Be my guest.
you? Throw in 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Rub it in with your
Fingers?
That's right, Marty, my friend. Is this swearing working so far?
A Herculean aspiration.
Add 3 tablespoons of water.
Undulate into a velvety orb.
What?
Roll it into a ball.
That's correct, Marty. Cutting it into 4 pieces. Then onto your paper.
Paper?
Baking. Between 2 pieces of paper, roll it as thin as you can.
Tremendously attenuated.
You can say that again.
TY.
Cut them into small squares with a kitchen cutter, cookie or pizza.
Copacetic.
With a useful sieve thing, tap on some chilli powder.
Any alternatives for those in the overactive orifice direction?
Whatever is your personal favourite. Sweet paprika, smoked jalapeno, pimenton, za'atar.
Whatever tickles your tum-tum.
But be sure to be gentle if you don't want to be for the next 24 hours. Throw in a good generous sprinkle of grated pecorino or parmesan.
You want a nice hard, nay, adamantine fromage.
Hard, Marty. As hard as a with a on its.
Never heard that expression.
Then into the oven on a baking tray or cooking stone. 180 degrees for about 8 minutes.
But keep your peepholes open, you don't want to enkindle them.
That's right, Marty, and aren't they delicious?
Ambrosial.
And low carb, and so crunchy you could have all over your cocktail parties and bar mitzvahs. Do you think I overdid the swearing?
Well, there are serious algorithm with them, but we won't like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, well said. Do that.
What do you really want in life, Gaz?
Oh, I just want people to like and subscribe.
Is there anything else?
No, not really.
What about hitting the notification button?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Do you know what any of this means?
Yeah, it's a computer thing.
Oh, very good.